Today, we are installing the Akrapovic full system titanium race exhaust for the RC990. Ooh, dang, look at how good that looks. Oh, I'm so excited. We were so lucky to even get one of these exhausts. Being how hot this bike is and all the parts are literally like all sold out. So shout out to Gray Area KTM, Paxton. You are the man for getting us pretty much like the first one in the States besides what he got. So I am going to tear down all of this stuff. You guys have seen me do this before. Honestly, it's not gonna be a tutorial, so it's gonna be very simple. We'll go basically by the instructions that Acra sends us, but you're gonna be removing your slip-on, all the mounts, everything, the side fairings, all that stuff to give yourself space to get that exhaust off of there. Pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just gonna time lapse it and then go ahead and just pull everything off at one time.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that would run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine.
So we just weighed the stock exhaust, and the stock exhaust came in at 19.6 pounds. And I weighed the Acra, same way I usually do, just holding them, adding it on my weight, and then subtracting the difference. But this was exactly 10 pounds with the muffler boxes, all of that stuff. So savings of 9.6 pounds, I'd say it's pretty good. Now let's get it installed.
Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Why the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.
So I don't know if you could tell in the time lapse, but third time's the charm, because you have those little flange hats. So you have these little flange hats, and basically they have a spacer between the new flange and the block itself, and you have to put the springs on before you do it. Of course, it took me 3 times to get it, but third time's a charm. Look at that. Titanium headers and mid pipe are on there.
Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Why the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest.
Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I want to give a huge shout out to Paxton at Gray Area KTM. He's the one that gets us these Akrapovic full system exhausts, and we get them very quickly. So if you need one here in the States especially, hit up Paxton at Gray Area. You might notice that the bike you got to hear the sound clips on may look a little different than Annie, the one that we did the full install video on. And that's because, of course, she blew up before we could really shoot that outro. It's just been a busy couple of months with the 990 development. But our good friend Duffy, he needed an exhaust as well. So we put an exhaust and a rapid bike on this bike, which we're also going to be testing the Acramap versus the rapid bike just to see the differences, things like that. But huge shout out to everybody that made this video even possible with all the cluster F that life has been with our 990 currently. If you want to help out and support the channel, head on over to jbells.com, buy some merch, cool parts for the 990. We just put our team shirts up there. We now have key tags. We have some other stuff, not just 990 based stuff, but things for the Super Duke, as well as whatever you ride, there's something cool. And every dollar that goes to that helps us shoot more cool videos like this. And we have a really cool giveaway coming up soon. So we'll see you next time.